Hey folks, it's Chef Kevin. Tonight I'm making Pollo alla Puttanecsa. Okay, this is an Italian dish. It's chicken in Puttanecsa sauce. Now, what is Puttanecsa sauce? Okay, it's an Italian sauce, and it's actually made from several ingredients, and you'll see that shortly. It's a very spicy sauce, and it's also known as hooker sauce. That's correct, I said hooker sauce or prostitute sauce. Puttanecsa in Italian is a prostitute. Now, how did this come to be? Okay, legend has it, and I think this is a fair explanation. This sauce was made during World War II in Naples, and women would make this nice sauce and then lure in hungry and lonely GIs into their house. And after that, how should I put this? Sex could be exchanged for money or anything else valuable. That's a true story. Okay, look, I got a lot of stuff here. This is going to be my dinner tonight, and I'm hungry. Let's take a closer look. Okay, I have chicken legs and thighs, skin on, 2 packages. I'm going to make a pretty good amount of food because I have some workers coming tomorrow, so they'll have the leftovers. I have a green and a yellow green and a yellow bell pepper. I have a carton of mushrooms, that's 8 ounces. I have a medium-sized onion. I have fire roasted diced tomatoes. I really love that. I have some sliced black olives, capers, crushed red pepper, anchovy paste, red wine, salt, pepper, olive oil for sautéing. Let's do the meat prep. Okay, this is a fairly inexpensive way to buy chicken. These packets of chicken are under $5 a piece, and they're cheaper because they haven't separated the thigh from the leg yet. So the more work they do, the more expensive the meat gets. Took off a big piece of skin, you don't need that. And I'm just going to separate the leg from the thigh. Just like that. You don't need all that excess skin, that's just fat. You don't want that. And if you have any small pieces hanging over, just cut them off to make it look more presentable. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm going to season these up and I'm going to saute them. This is a braised dish, which means it's going to be cooked not completely submerged, but mostly submerged in liquid, that liquid being the sauce. Okay, let me season these up. Okay, I just want to get these seared off, nice and brown. Those will just take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Get some nice color here. Okay, let's have a look-see here. That's nice. Got some nice color going on here. Okay, another 3-4 minutes, and I'm going to take these off. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull these chicken parts out. Just keep them aside. Not going to add too much onion. The last time I made this dish, I was told I put too much onion in there.
I felt he used too many onions, but it was still a very good sauce.
Don't put too many onions in the sauce.
I didn't put too much onions in it. Oh, 3 small onions, that's all I did.
3 onions. How many cans of tomatoes you put in there?
I put 2 cans, 2 big cans.
That was 1 can, that was 28 ounces. So I'm making the sauce right now. I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. It's probably a tablespoon food. I know these guys like hot food, and so do I, so. I'm going to add some anchovy paste. This is natural saltiness. Has a lot of good flavor to it. Capers, that's a must when making a Puttanecsa sauce. These also have a nice natural saltiness to it. Now these are capers in brine, organic capers in brine. These are not the salted capers. If you're going to use the salted capers, you should really rinse them under the sink, because otherwise it's just too much salt. Going to bring that up to a simmer. Going to add my sliced black olives. Going to add some red wine. That was about almost a cup. Okay, this has been simmering for 10 minutes or so. I'm going to reintroduce the chicken. Okay, now this is going to be finished in the oven. So I have the oven preheating. I'm going to go ahead and add some chicken stock to this. Because I don't want it to become too dry. A lot of that liquid will evaporate off. Okay, I'm going to pop it in an oven, 375 for 40 minutes. So here it is, folks, straight out of the oven after 35 minutes. Get some nice caramelization going on here. Super hot. Let's give this hooker sauce a taste here. Me love you long time.
You keep saying you got something for me, something you call love, but confess you've been a messin' where you shouldn't have been a messin', and now someone else is getting all your best. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all
Hey,
over
baby!
you.
You got girlfriend Vietnam? Not just this minute.
Yeah.
Well, baby, me so horny. Me so horny.
You keep lying.
Me love you long time.
Truth
You party?
yeah, we might party. When you
How
are
much?
not there.
$15? $15
You
for both
keep
of us.
saying
No,
when
each you
you oughta be
$15.
changing.
Me love you long time.
Now what's right
Me
is
so
right,
horny.
but you ain't been right yet.
$15 too beaucoup. $5 each. Me sucky sucky.
And
Me
that's
love
just
you
what
too
they'll
much.
do. One of these days, these
$5
boots
is all my
are
mom
gonna
allows
walk
me to
all
spend.
over you.
Okay, $10 each.
What do we get for $10?
Everything you want.
Everything?
Everything.
You keep
So here is my chicken and hooker sauce. Serving that with dumplings. Let's have a taste here. That is so good on so many levels. The chicken is so tender. This Puttanecsa sauce has such a nice flavor, a lot of spice to it. And the dumplings, well, dumplings are plain. They're supposed to be, but they soak up the sauce. One thing missing. a little cheese. If you're Italian, you put cheese on top of cheese. That's just the way it is. And it's so good. Okay, folks. I'm gonna finish this off. I'm so hungry. If you like my videos, if you like me, if you like anything about me or my videos, then throw me a friggin' bone here.
Throw me a frickin' bone here.